Namaste everyone. So the question is, from a circular pizza of radius r, a circular pizza of half its area is to be cut. Which one of the following diagrams helps to identify the smaller pizza, that is inner circle, correctly? The lines are guides to arrive at the correct circle. Okay, so we need to identify the diagram for a pizza with half of the area of a pizza with radius r, right? So let's see. So first, what will be the area of pizza? It will be pi r square, correct? Area of a circle, pi r square. So as we need a smaller pizza, that will be the half of it. So what will be the area of a smaller pizza? Area of smaller pizza will be half of it. So 1 by 2 pi r square, correct? Now let's suppose the radius of the new pizza will be r new, correct? Or we can represent it by Rn. So if we substitute value here, so what it will be? It will be pi Rn square is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, correct? From here we can find out Rn. So it will be pi to pi will be cancelled out and Rn square will be r square by 2. So from here we get Rn is equal to r by root 2, correct? So it is like looking like a side of square, correct? So if we see diagram 2, you can see the inner circle is inscribable in a square form, correct? So that navigate the ratio 1 by root 2. So the option 2 is the correct option. I hope you like the video. Please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.